fall season. I'm at a park. And this is called Longwood Park. We have a pond here. And the ducks are there. But it's not the best time for them, I guess. They're swimming away. And I think they are cold. It's kind of busy. Everybody's working here. They're blowing the leaves. They're collecting the leaves because the park is a mess. But there's a variety of these ducks swimming around. Just different varieties. And there's lots of space for people to sit. Yeah, this park. Somebody is zooming around in the park. My goodness. We are in a hurry. But we are not. It's nice. There's a bench here to sit on. Just nice everywhere. It's nice. Stand here. Look at the water. The ducks swimming themselves away. It's very windy. Very, very windy today. Look at the trees. No more leaves. I think I came too late here. The leaves have all been blown away from the trees. No more leaves. You're not supposed to feed the fall. That tree. Looks like people have been riding on the tree. Looks like people wrote their names on the tree. Or whatever it is they wrote. But it's nice. It's chilly, but nice. Chilly and interesting. Go on with your life. That's how life is. Continue with your life. You do what suits you. Happiness belongs to you. Nobody will ever make you happy. If walking by the park like this makes you happy, go for it. Walking and meditating makes you happy, go for it. If dieting makes you happy, go for it. If other forms of exercise make you happy, you go for it. So that's what happiness is all about. You can sit here and just look at everybody and how life is for everybody. You're living your life, living your dreams. It's kind of sunny. Sun is up there. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning. The municipal employees are working hard over there. The park is less busy today, because it's in the middle of the week. So you can actually come to the park, sit here with your family and grill here. You can do some grilling here at the park. It's a small grill, so put your charcoal under there and you grill on top there. Chicken, pork, whatever you want to grill. Do what makes you happy. That's what I say. Because happiness belongs to you. You make yourself happy. You can take some nice pictures here with your family. This is these duckies. They're making themselves happy. It is cold, but oh well, life has to continue. They're swimming around and making themselves happy. There's a variety of them, different types. I see 1, 2, 3 different types here swimming away. There's white ones back there. The water is moving because it's kind of warm. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that view of them all swimming in one direction. You also have one here moving in the same direction. One turned, but it's now going in the right direction. They are playing there in the water. It's beautiful, beautiful. What can we say? Look at the view of the park. It's also beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful. I said, make yourself happy and be happy. You can also sit here. There's sitting space here. You don't want to walk around. Lots of sitting space. Lots of space. You're sitting. Sit. And you can actually take very nice pictures here. All right. I think we came when all the trees are almost shedding all their leaves. Look at that. It's a beautiful tree. Look at the other one. This one doesn't have any leaves. The gazebo is here. Yeah. Alright. Okay. That's my morning view, my beautiful morning view. This is what has made me happy today. So I'm happy. I came, I saw, I took a video, and that's what makes me happy. So this is Vikaka's life. This is what makes me happy. This is what I envision myself smiling and being happy. It's hot. Not hot, it's sunny. So the sun is hitting my face. But oh well, what can we do? It's life. It's life. See somebody there walking with their dogs, and I think that's what makes them happy. So whatever makes you happy, do it. Go for it. Go for it. The tree is dedicated to somebody here. It's like these trees have meaning. They're not just trees planted. They are dedicated to different people. It's dedicated to somebody also. Right. It's a nice morning, chilly, sunny, both combined. So, hope your day today is going well and you're going to have a good morning. And remember, just make yourself happy. Happiness is you, nobody else. Happiness and peace of mind is all about you, not them. All right. Good day.